In this multiple choice question, they are directing us to specify the correct option responsible for land insect diversity. For this, let we avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. If you're talking about the exoskeleton, it is mainly responsible for the diversification of the insect on the land. Unlike vertebrates, an insect supporting skeleton is located on the outside of its body. Attack from the chemical and physical force cannot penetrate the exoskeleton to keep it from drying out. An impermeable layer of wax covers it. Directly attached muscle combines the highest strength with almost the best mechanical advantage leverage. With this specification, we are choosing exoskeleton is the correct option to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D. In this picture, we can see the class Insecta is having many variants with the different size and shape of the exoskeleton to protect the animal from the various adverse climatic condition. With this specification, we are choosing option B to secure 4 mark.